In these problems, we're dealing with something that's called a function table. And you can see it has an input and an output. So the idea here is you put numbers in and you get a different number out according to a rule. The rule here is at the top. This one says multiply by 3. So if our input, the number we put in, is 3, we would take that and multiply it by 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And that would be our output. Now here, we've got a blank for the input, but we've got an output of 12. Since we're multiplying by 3 in this table, since that's the rule, you have to ask yourself, what do you multiply by 3 to get 12? Well, and that is 4 because 4 times 3 is 12. So that's what's going to go in here. When you multiply this 4 by 3, you get 12. And then for the last one, we've got a 6. We follow the rule. We multiply by 3, and we get 18 because 3 times 6 equals 18. Let's try one more for practice. So this one says the rule is multiply by 6. So you're taking the input number and multiplying it by 6. So the first thing we do is we take this input of 3 and we multiply it by 6 to get 18, and that's our first output. Next, we have an input of 5. So again, we multiply that by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 is going to be our output. And slightly trickier, we have something times 6 equals 36. So something times 6 equals 36. Well, that is 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. So that's what we put in this box. And that is a little bit of work with function tables.